Hi everyone, Dr. Nemechek here. Time for another week in review for the week beginning October 13th. First we have a 23-year-old. So we started the protocol less than a year ago. So older kid with autism, hyperactive, very mechanical speech, required constant prompting, only followed instructions if it was something he was really, really interested in, and had a maturity of like a 2 or a 3-year-old. So we put him on, we just started him on continuous rifaximin, fish oil, olive oil, and VNS, and then plus now what I do with everybody, the 6-week course of glutamine in case there is some post-COVID leaky gut. And in the first 4 months, more attentive, more fluid speech, increased vocabulary, improved comprehension, starting to understand humor, which is kind of complicated, increasing maturity, no longer fixated on baby Einstein videos. So those came after my daughter. I had to kind of look them up there around a 2 or 3 year age group. So he was moving forward and now watching video content that mainly has actually humans in it. And so as of 7 months, then another visit. He's still on rifaximin, fish oil, olive oil, and the VNS. He's learning to play the piano. He is able to take, there's a transport bus that he can take to his therapy sessions, his like day program, and he can do that now independently. Occasionally, the parents are saying there's this kind of give and take on conversational speech and that he's continuing to mature. Just another example how kids in their 20s can still improve. Okay. Next case we've got is a 5-year-old boy. So we started the protocol again just about a year ago. No speech, unaware, tantrums, especially loud sounds would trigger these tantrums a lot. Constant drooling. So, because he's 5, we use the inulin-based protocol. So fish oil, olive oil, inulin. They get a nice awakening, more awareness, eye contact, starting to follow commands. Tantrums are starting to come down. Requesting using 1 or 2 words. They could recognize, animals, colors, letters, so forth. Then gets COVID. Boom, destroys him. Marked deterioration, more irritable, less focused, trouble sleeping, speech disappeared, all of that. So in June, I saw him on follow-up, and in June we added the 6 weeks of glutamine to help the COVID leaky gut. Rapid return. So he's presently on inulin, fish oil, olive oil, calmer, less irritable, sitting through his meals, lessons, and while reading. So that's a sign that he's got better blood pressure regulation, which also improves focus and improves the emotional regulation. He's learned to ride a bike very quickly. Speech is still 1 or 2 words. So what we're going to do is add Vitality Smart Cable, the VNS or vagus nerve stimulator to try to boost speech. And we got you'll get about 80% of the subjects when you add it for speech will have improvement in speech within 4 to 6 weeks typically. So we're hoping good things for him. Here's a 5-year-old. Again, started protocol less than a year ago. Autism, minimally responsive, could only say mama and papa. Constant visual stimuli, just constant. And so put her on the protocol, eye contact, so she has a nice awakening, improved eye contact, responding to her name. But then about a month or a few weeks after starting the protocol, she got these caps put on her teeth, and her aggression starts increasing. Now, at that point, we weren't quite certain, so we put her on some glutamine. It seemed to help the aggression some, her comprehension, following commands, that's keeping improved, saying more words, repeating more phrases. But then we see her, and this aggression and irritation keeps growing, even though the gains are still there. And now she's not wanting to eat. She's only willing to drink Pediasure. She's pointing at her teeth. At times we'll say too cold when she's drinking. And so they go to the dentist, they don't do x-rays, and the dentist just say, everything's fine. This girl's got problems in her teeth. I mean, most people know when you drink something and it's too cold and your teeth hurt, you got a problem with your teeth. So we're going to go find a different dentist. We're going to, if we have to, use anesthesia to get the x-rays, we're going to get those caps off, and something's wrong. I'm not a dentist, but clearly something's wrong. And so I think once we get the teeth sorted out, she'll be doing much, much better. And then last, this is, we're struggling. Here's another girl. She started just really a few months ago, autistic. She can follow directions, but has tantrums, verbal, but just repetitive echolalia of what the parents are saying, and then some significant constipation. So she starts fish oil, olive oil, inulin, slight improvement in constipation, no change in tantrum, speech, or anything else, and basically no change. So we're going to give her a 6-week course of glutamine. Maybe she has some COVID damage under there. We're going to see how that goes for a couple months, and if that's not working, we're going to switch the inulin to rifaximin. So we're just going to move her through the protocol. It's just a nice kind of early assessment for you all. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can stay abreast of our new videos. Remember to take care of your kids, take care of yourself, keep your inflammation down. And for Dr. Nemechek, that's all. Have a good week.